सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात्. Hi and welcome back to Music Meets Psychology video 7. Today's song is from the film Neerja and the song's name is Jeete Hai Chal. Now the song's name itself says that it's a song that tells you to live life to the fullest, and that the psychological principle that the song is trying to present is mindfulness, that is being present in the present moment, of letting go of the bad, of letting go of the negative and allowing yourself to embrace the positive. I hope that you enjoy this song as much as I am enjoying it to present it to you. Let's start. कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. गम मुसाफिर था जाने दे, धूप आंगन में आने दे, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात्. So the first couple of lines is a Sanskrit shlok called the Mahamrityunjay Jap, which basically is a shlok that protects you from death, so that no harm may befall you, so that you don't go before your time comes. And if you think about it in a deeper way, I think that the shlok also means that don't be afraid of death too, that may the fear of death also leave your mind. Because so many of us are constantly living under that ticking clock, that realization that, oh, my clock is ticking and I might die anywhere, anytime, and that makes me not really appreciate the present moment that I am in. So the shlok says that even that fear of death may leave you. Then the first couple of lines from the song, that कहता है ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. So this moment that you are living in, may it be a good moment, a bad moment, a painful one, a beautiful one, or a neutral one, no matter what moment it is, it's telling you to live it. So the कहता है ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल. So oftentimes we are our biggest obstacle in becoming happy. Our thoughts, our attitudes, our perspectives are the very thing that stop us from living in the moment and from being happy. So each moment that comes in your life is telling you that let go, allow yourself to be present in the present moment. The next couple of lines are incredibly important because they say that gam musafir hai tha jaane de, dhoop aangan mein aane de. So musafir is a traveler, right, or a guest maybe. So every time when we have guests at our home, or let's say we are traveling to some new place, we have this in our mind that this is not my permanent destination, or this person is not here, not going to be here forever. So the lines are saying that try and start looking at your hardships, at the negative phases in your life, as the difficulties that may befall you as such travelers, that they are not there to be forever, they are not going to be there the whole life, they are just there for some time. So gam musafir tha, let him go, let the sunlight come back into your life. So gam musafir tha jaane de, dhoop aangan mein aane de. Don't build sheds, don't build walls in your own home that would prevent the sunlight from reaching you. So build down the walls, take down the walls and let the sunlight come into your life. Amazing, isn't it? Now this is what the first couple of lines say. Let's see what the stanzas say. तलवों के नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे, यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी एक खुशबू कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे, उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आजा जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. So the stanza, the first two lines of the stanza, that तलवों के नीचे ठंडी सी एक धरती है, आजा दौड़ेंगे. So it gives me a sense of freedom. It paints a picture in front of my eyes that there is this beautiful horse that is running freely across the grass. That is the image that comes in front of my eyes. That without any restrictions, without any limitations, let yourself run, let yourself be, let yourself dream about things that you want to achieve. यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी एक खुशबू है, कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे. So every positive memory, every good thing that you have in your life, imagine that it's all in a box, and every time that you open it, it's telling you that let go of everything else that you are worried about, let go of everything else that you are sad about. Concentrate on this moment, concentrate on everything that is good in your life. Be grateful for what you have. And the next two lines are the most important according to me, that उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे. So उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे. Stop holding on to your past. Stop keeping it as a memorial, or stop romanticizing your past, and let it flow away from your fingers. Let it go away. Let go. I think this is the one thing that the song is trying to tell you, that just let go. And आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे. I think the line that खुद को रहने दे is very important, because we ourselves don't allow ourselves to be in the present, isn't it? So living in the moment does not mean that you should never think about the past, or you should never think about the future. It just means that don't fixate on it. Let yourself move out of it once in a while. Now let's see what the second stanza of the song says. हिचकी रुक जाने दे, सिसकी थम जाने दे, इस पल की ये गुजारिश है. मरना क्यों, जी लेना बूंदों को, पी लेना तेरे ही सपनों की बारिश है. पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे. कहता ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. एक टुकड़ा हंसी चख ले, एक डली जिंदगी रख ले. जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल. हिचकी रुक जाने दे, सिसकी थम जाने दे. So हिचकी, सिसकी is all hesitations. So let go of the hesitations when you are planning to do something new. If you are thinking of starting something of your own, or if you are planning to learn something new, to take a big step in your life, let go of the hesitation. Let go of the hesitation to live fully and live freely. इस पल की ये गुजारिश है ना, गुजारिश is request. So every moment that you get is a request. The moment is making a request that let yourself be away from hesitations, let yourself be away from doubt of any particular thing. पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे. Now this is, I think, that when water flows through rocks for a certain amount of time, because of that repeated pressure that the water exerts, one fine day the rock breaks or it changes shape. So definitely it takes many years for the water to have that effect on the rocks, but if that water is persistently there, the rocks will break. So that is what the lyrics are saying, that पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे. Let the hardships in your life, let the difficult moments of your life make the way for you, so that in those moments your efforts and your persistent efforts might break the rocks. So the water is not the hardships, but the water is the persistence, the bravery that you show in those moments. So पानियों को रास्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे. Again, don't stop yourself from going towards the light. You know, we say that sunflowers or all kinds of flowers or plants have this innate mechanism in themselves that no matter where you keep a plant, it will eventually start growing in the direction of light. So let yourself be like that. सो रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे, कहता है ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल. Because if you are not able to live in the present, if you are not able to live in the moment, what's the point of living at all, isn't it? So that brings to my mind a story that I had heard as a child, where there was this man who used to go to parties, and at each party he used to stand in the corner and he used to think that what shall I wear for the next party that I might attend. And in that effort he used to lose out on the fun, on the joy of being in that party. Again, this is something that most of us do so many times, that at every phase of our life we are constantly yearning to go to the next phase, to go to the next step. I'm not happy with this, I want that, and once I reach there, then it's something else. So this cycle never stops, the cycle never breaks, and in the process it's we who are losing out on the fun that life has to offer. It's us who are not able to look at the moments that life is offering, but we are too busy thinking about the past or thinking about the future, so we just don't realize that the moments are there. So this song really talks so strongly about mindfulness, about letting yourself go. So that was the meaning that the song gives out according to me, and I really hope that after watching this video you really introspect and try living mindfully as much as possible. Being mindful is nothing fancy. It just means that you have to keep bringing your mind's attention back to a small or big thing that you are doing. So with that, I will take your leave. I am Ishwari Marathe, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, The Talking Therapist, and do follow me on Instagram at The Talking Therapist. Take care, stay in the moment, bye.